I don't have an intro.
Hi guys, welcome back to her shitty ass channel.
It hasn't been uploaded on in 3 months.
Okay, go ahead.
I don't know what we're doing. Oh, we're doing what's in my car because my car is a fucking mess. So let's start with your side because there's stuff on that side.
So on my side, there's people in the car probably looking at us like, what the hell are these two doing? So first we have a free and clear black cherry drink.
It's water.
There's water in it.
It's not like alcohol.
We have
Oh, this is the one I brought today.
a strawberry water. Absolutely great.
You can't really see, but it's fine.
Yeah.
What else you got?
We got a McDonald's receipt.
One of many.
And we have, what'd you get this day? You got a vanilla cone.
Oh, that was probably Cooper's.
This was, when was this?
The date's probably at the top.
Oh, 12:07.
That was the day Cooper came to rescue me, but...
And then, we got some napkins.
Always gotta have those napkins.
Right on the floor.
Well, I got some in here. I got some in the glove box.
Okay, so what is in your compartments here?
In my compartments, I have some mints. So you never know. Sour mints. So you never know when somebody wants a mint. I've got this phone thing holder that doesn't actually fit in my car. So it just kind of sits here. I've got my radio listening device for my phone. There's... What else we got going on in here? An empty pack of pills. I just have a lot of garbage. I have a lot of pens and markers and straw wrappers.
Like, why do you have this shit in your car?
All those mints. I have... Fuck. I have a light for my door that broke. I have this Bluetooth thing that my mom gave me that I never set up. I have this Tim Hortons points card that I don't use. What else we got going on in here? I got 2 lights. For something.
For something.
What else? Oh,
they're leaving.
goodbye, friends. And then I have this thing.
You're driving while high under the influence. Arrest them.
Let me call Brandon real quick.
Hello.
Okay, and then I have this cigarette, you know, like...
You smoke cigarettes?
No, in the car, so they have, like, those lighter things. That's mine. That's it. And then I have scrunchie for work. Then I have another hair tie in case I lose my scrunchie. Oh, you're going in the middle console. This is dangerous.
So in this, we have a string.
It's headphones?
Oh, it's headphones?
Not just a string.
I just saw the string. This calls this.
What's going on?
I can't upload this.
We can. I'm gonna try and edit it tonight.
We have vape drugs.
Vape drugs? Vape drugs.
Vape drugs. We have a lot of receipts.
Oh, probably all McDonald's.
Some more wires.
Oh, that's a charger that doesn't work. Oh, this one's for Giant Tiger.
Oh, yeah. Story time. So, we went to Giant Tiger not too long ago.
This is the receipt.
And I only had a specific amount in my checkings because the rest is in my savings. So we go up to the cash. I pay first, pay for my items. Everything's all fine and dandy. This girl is behind me paying for her stuff. Tell me why. The lady rings in her items, whatever. Then she goes, oh, debit. Doesn't have her debit card. So she goes, can you pay? And I'm like, sure. Thinking nonchalantly, I was like, whatever. I knew I probably didn't have enough. So she taps my card.
Declined.
Did you see that?
No, I can't see anything. The fucking light's in my eye.
I don't know if someone just ran really fast or there's a ghost.
It's a ghost. It's my ghost.
Oh, brother. Okay,
anyway, her card got declined.
I got declined. So now we have you don't see that.
No.
Brother. It got closer.
Okay, well, it's the ghost. Anyway, her card got declined. I had to go to my car and find my card, which is in my car, on the floor because I got gas and then I dropped it, then I forgot. So it was in my car, and then I went back in and
So
paid.
kids, when you go into a store,
Make sure you have your money.
Make sure you have your money.
We also have a Michael's receipt.
So besides all the receipts, we got
pads.
We got pads.
So you never know when you're starting your period.
Your lovely lady.
More napkins.
We have a card of some sort.
We have my Halloween receipt.
We have a Cineplex card.
It's literally not a card. It's the garbage part of the card.
Oh.
Remember when we went Halloween shopping?
Yay.
I got this receipt.
Oh, you have some
drill bits, I think. I don't know where those came from.
We have a T25, a T30, T40, 01, and 3.
Man, you have to take out the stuff. I just keep grabbing the same things.
I know, because there's only stuff at the bottom. What is that? I'm kind of scared. A knife!
A knife!
Why she got a fucking knife?
In case the ghost comes to get us.
Yo!
It's a multi-purpose tool.
What the... how the fuck do you want this?
I have another one in my room, too. Let me see. You look for more stuff.
Oh. And then we got some change. That's really it for that. In the back seat, this is where it gets interesting.
Actually, the trunk is... I opened the knife.
Okay, put it away. We have a purse.
Oh, boy. My purse. Not just a purse.
This is hand sanitizer that's evil.
No, it's not the evil one.
Oh. I got hand sanitizer in my eye once upon a time.
I have this thing.
We got a lot more bottles.
We don't talk about the bottles. Oh.
Oh, we got all flavors up in this car.
What kind is that one?
We got peach.
I'm very selective or diverse. Ma'am, I'm trying to put the knife away.
We have a bag, empty bag, Walmart bag.
I don't remember why. Probably for garbage.
What the fuck is this?
What is it?
What do you have baby shampoo in your car?
For my tattoo. To clean it. We were supposed to use non-scented, sensitive soap. And it's non-scented. It's for my future children that I'm having. Me.
Telling myself. We have... Oh.
What else you got going on? We don't know what that's
the gun. Blow y'all up. That's... You could literally be like, come near my car, bitch. Babe, come near my car, bitch. Boom. Pretend it's a gun. You could save yourself in so many situations.
It looks like a fucking... It's a fucking light from the car on the road. You're just tripping the whole time.
Anyway.
Did you go smoke some of their weed?
Watch out, motherfuckers. Okay. So we got that. This is on the first side of the car.
Yeah, you still have your side.
Okay, and then on the seat, we have a sweater.
Yeah.
You just have so much shit.
I do.
We have a bag. A reusable bag.
Like a freezer bag for the cold stuff.
All her water bottles.
No, all my water bottles are in the trunk.
And then we got some liquid.
It's my coolant
antifreeze.
So I know what kind to get.
And then, the best of all, floor mats in the friggin' back seat.
Oh, I got these today from Cooper's house.
If you need any mats, just let us know.
You can have my gross old ones, not my new ones. Oh. You forgot my uniform. My apron and hat should be back there.
On this side, I can't reach.
No, they should be on this side.
Oh, no, they weren't.
They should be.
Alright, now, for this side, there's nothing on the floor on this side.
Wow, look at me go.
Oh, except for this one
paper.
Quest Specialty Travel. Wow. Don't travel, okay?
What?
Don't.
Okay, ma'am, I want to see what my mark was. 22 out of 24. That was pretty good.
This 22 out of 44.
24. Oh. Learn how to read. Oh, I didn't do good on this.
You literally got 2 wrong.
No, on this. I was supposed to pick a day excursion. I don't even remember doing this. Okay. My apron and hat should be back there.
But it's not.
Well, it should be.
But
get your flashlight and go back there.
No, I'm telling you, it's not. My hand is going across the seat. She's gonna get out and check. I'm literally telling you it's not.
Oh my god, you destroyed. Also, my winter coat's back here, guys. I also have a pair of socks.
Also, fun fact, her car light doesn't work, so we had to use my phone as a flashlight.
Okay, literally right here.
Oh, well, it was in the very, very back.
Apron.
So we have her apron.
For work.
For work.
I have a work shirt.
Work shirt.
Work hat.
And a work hat.
And another hat.
And another hat.
And a pay stub.
So, guys, that is all.
I also have this can of 7-Up.
Add more drinks to the collection.
Yeah. Also have a whole case of water in my trunk. We don't even want to talk about the trunk.
No.
Trunk's a mess.
Trunk's a mess.
If you thought this was a mess, show them. Just grab the phone and show them. My back seat right now.
We're gonna start. We have the front.
Oh, this is a mess up here now.
Yeah, this
was not messy.
it was.
No, it wasn't.
It was. That's Jasmine.
Oh, hello.
And then we have back here. It's great.
She messed it up more. It was organized.
It was not.
It was.
It was not. All right, guys.
Okay, thanks for watching this mess of a video. Goodbye.